really want to start vlogging more. So I want to try and do, if I can, maybe like 365 days of vlogging, so like one every day, but I think that's kind of like pushing for it, so we'll see what happens.
Oh, to read more, because I don't read very much other than scripts and things. So I want to have read at least 25 books by like, we'll say halfway through the year.
My New Year's resolution is going to be to drink more water. It's kind of a lame one, but I do need to drink more water.
Definitely to stop biting my nails. It's been my New Year's resolution for the last like 4 years.
Do not make any more New Year's resolutions, because I never keep them.
Oh, to just try and eat less chocolate. I have a real thing for chocolate and potatoes. I eat so many potatoes.
My New Year's resolution is to not have a New Year's resolution. My New Year's resolution is to eat more bacon bits.
To not leave everything to the last minute, because I leave everything, I always think, oh, I've got ages to do that, and then it comes to the day before, I'm like, oh, jeez, I haven't done it.
Go hiking at least once a week, because my best friend and I love to go hiking right near my house and watch the sunset, and it's our favorite thing.
My New Year's resolution is probably to do more things for me, so take more time for myself.
My New Year's resolution is definitely gonna be to try and be a morning person. I definitely love sleeping in, I love my time to wait in the morning, but I realize that when I get up early, I get so much more done.
I like to try and learn an instrument. I don't know what it's gonna be.
Train harder. Yeah. Try and spend more time with the family. Yeah. And stop buying trainers.
Yeah.
Very good. It's not normal. I just love trainers.
My New Year's resolution is to find another couple to third wheel, because Jordan's now got a baby.
To visit my grandma more.
New Year's resolution is to not have one, because it never, ever works out.